What up, y'all? So, if you watched the last video, you know I tried this the spoiler from Spoiler Kings for the Vette. So, it's been one out for the Impala for a minute, but nobody I know has got it. And I was like, why not? Let me just get it, see what it's like, 'cause I'm just curious about it. But for the Impala, I'm not that interested in having a spoiler on there. But went ahead and ordered one again. Let me see, from Spoiler King. There we go. But yeah, from Spoiler King. So it's in here rolled up, same material, but I figure I'd give it a shot for the Impala and just see what it looked like on the actual car, since nobody else seemed to be buying them yet. So I want to get a feel for it. But problem is, I'm not in the Impala, so got to ride and go get the car and I clean it up and get this put on so you can see what it actually look like on the car. Like I said, same rubber deal as this one. A whole lot smaller for the Impala compared to the Vette, but you really don't need much on the Impala anyway. So this should, hopefully this will fit kind of like close to the 96 Impala style. And yeah, but it's about to rain here, so like I might be done for the day. So give me till tomorrow. Alright, so I'm finally back at the crib. Got the spoiler out. As you can see, it's just like the other one that I got for the Vette. So it's got the rubbery kind of feel to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and line this up and tape it in place. And just like the other one, just one big fat layer of 3M on here. So go ahead and tape this down real quick and peel this 3M and see how it looks on there. Heads up, please invest in some good tape. I bought this stuff at I don't even know why, Walmart in the middle of the aisle. Just had some tape laying around, so I was like, let me just try this out. But terrible tape, won't stick for nothing. So invest in some good tape. It'll make, my bad y'all, it'll make your life a whole lot easier. So I'm just gonna peel this 3M and just hold it with my hand and line it up. So shouldn't be too tough. I got steady enough hands, so let's go ahead and hook this up. Alright, took about 30-40 seconds, but this is what you're left with. Small lip, nothing major, but you get a little definition. And this can be painted. You just have to coat it with, they call it some flex agent. Just so, since it's so rubber, you need some paint that's gonna stay on there and not crack and come apart once you actually spray it and try to lay it down. But it's a pretty good fit. I think if you got a black car, or if you just want some sort of black definition on here, this would be a good look. Otherwise, it'd be best to get this painted when you get it. Either get it painted before install or paint it after. But I was curious about this, so at least now I got an idea of what this actually looked like. So if you want to try it, they're not really expensive or nothing, so I'll put a link in the bottom for it. And if you're close by and you want this one, just let me know. We'll work something out. But just a little something to try. But I think this would I think it would look better painted the same color as your car. But tell me what y'all think. You can see the difference in the Spoiler King spoiler for the Vette, and then the small lip for the Impala. And of course the one on the Vette looks a lot better just in black. A lot more definition on this one as opposed to the low-key styling of this one. And I don't know, I feel like this might work as a roof spoiler too, maybe. It looked like it's about the same size that you would need. But anyway, just testing some stuff out, so let me know what you think. Duplicate color has never done me wrong, so hopefully they don't do me wrong on this. But I'm gonna go ahead and dip the spoiler real quick just to see what it'll look like being white with the car. So this is matte, so it won't be exactly the same as the car, but it'll be close enough to where, you know, it'll give me the idea of what it'll actually look like. So be back in a second. I'm back with some good tape this time, because whatever that Walmart stuff is wasn't hitting on nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead, tape this spoiler off real quick, spray it with this duplicate color peel coat stuff. I hadn't tried that ever before, so hopefully it'll work just as good as plastic dip work. And yeah, I'll show y'all what it looked like when it's done. There we go. Just a quick tape job, so this will stop any overspray. And with this one, just tuck the tape in under the spoiler as much as you can, because the 3M doesn't go all the way to the edge, so you should be able to get that tape under the edge. That way when you spray, you shouldn't get any overspray under that spoiler and actually on the paint. But go ahead and knock out a couple coats of this real quick, and then we'll see what it look like color matched. Here's the finished product. I still got to clean the car off a little bit, but just went ahead and dipped it, so you can kind of see how it looks. And it's real low-key, but it looks a lot better the same color as the car, as opposed to that the regular black that it comes in. So not bad. Like I said, I was curious about it, and didn't seem like anybody else wanted to give it a try, so I figured, you know, why not? Just a couple dollars. But I think it looks pretty good, actually. Just something subtle, nothing serious. 'Cause I didn't really care for the SS wing and the other one on the regular, I guess, with the LT or the LTZ. So they didn't really do anything for me. So I figured this would be something to do that could still be subtle and keep the smooth look that I had with the no spoiler before. But I think I'm alright with it. Might actually keep it on there, really. But yeah, let me know what you think. And like I said, I'll put a link in the bottom if you want to try one out. I think it was like $40 or something, so nothing too major, but if you want to try it out, the link is in the bottom. And thanks for watching.